Hey guys, Chelsea here from Making Manzanita, and today we're sharing another project from the archives that we completed long before we had a YouTube channel, and it all starts with these two chairs. I found them on Facebook. Someone is about to haul them away to the dump, and I just couldn't let that happen, so I grabbed them and decided to turn them into something new. I'm making a bench. So I started by giving them a really good cleaning with a wet rag, get them nice and clean, and then I sanded them with our DeWalt sander. You could also use a random orbital sander, but that's just what I had. And next this is what they look like when they're all sanded. Next I started painting. So I used an exterior acrylic latex paint in this bright blue color. And the important thing when you're painting furniture that's going to go outdoors is that you want to encapsulate the whole thing. So you want to paint all the nooks and crannies, the bottom, the underside, get it all painted nice and good. This is what it looks like once it was all painted. And next we're going to do a little trim on the top caps. So you can see there's just about 1/4 of an inch that needs to be trimmed off because we're going to put boards across the top of the chairs and we wanted it to be nice and flat. Next, we're going to do a dry brush technique with just some white acrylic paint over the whole thing. That's just because I wanted to lighten up the color a little bit. So you can see I'm just doing a really light dry brush technique over the entire bench. This is what it looks like once those pallet boards were added to the top. And again, I did the same dry brush on the top of the pallet boards. You can see everything has been painted, even the undersides. And then we sealed it with this Krylon clear finish spray. And here's a little clip of me spraying it. We did several light coats of this spray. Any sort of spray, acrylic or latex, something that will seal everything. Because this has lots of nooks and crannies, I definitely recommend a spray instead of a wipe-on sealer, just because it's a lot easier. So you can see I'm doing just a light coat over the pallet boards, but everything else on the bench has already been sealed at this point. We're just making sure those pallet boards are nice and sealed. The other thing that you'll notice here in a sec when I turn around and I show you the whole bench is down at the bottom on the back of the bench, which I'm going to walk around real quick. I'll show you. There is one pallet board that we painted that same blue color and we nailed it to the back of the bench. And this just helps secure the chairs together, gives it a little more strength so that it's not just those top pallet boards that are holding it together, so that it's easier to pick up and move. And again, this is going outdoors. But it's just a great, easy way to reuse the chair. And now, instead of going to the dump, those old chairs have a second life as a bench, and all it took was some paint, a few pallet slats, and a little creativity. And that's the fun part about DIY. You really don't need fancy tools or new materials to make something useful or unique. So the next time you see free furniture on Facebook or even on the curb, think twice before passing it up. You can make awesome things with it. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe this video and check out this one next. Hope you have a good day.